Hello, welcome to Spin Barbecue. Inspired by Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard BBQ, I'm making bacon-wrapped cheese bombs today. So I'm seasoning my beef with smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and some oregano. Anyway, just incorporating that or seasoning the meat. I've got 2.5 pounds or 1.2 kilos. Just mixing it up well so that the spices are everywhere. Then I've got a block of pressed cheese, which is like a cheddar, a milder cheddar. Cutting that into chunks and then starting to make the balls. So I've got a ball of hamburger meat that I'm wrapping around one piece of the cheese. Then, depending on the size of the ball I'm making, I'm using 1 or 2 strips of bacon. The first one here I'm using 2, going crosswise, just covering it up. Okay, finishing them all off, it's time to start off the grill. Well, actually I did light the grill before, so going outside, this is what I found, which was good. It's really hot. Since I've got cheese in these, I assume a few of them will leak, so I'm putting a little bit of aluminum foil underneath the grate. In fact, they didn't leak. I must have sealed them up well. Oh well, they were good any which way. Okay, about 35 minutes later, I was going to douse them with a little bit of barbecue sauce. I've got crushed tomatoes, a little bit of low sodium soy, garlic powder, onion powder, ancho, chili, and in my case I'm using cider, which is a sweetener, but you can use sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 cloves of garlic, bringing it to a boil and simmering it for 35 minutes. I did this just after, so it was just simmering to boil down. Oh yeah, I forgot. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so these are, I temp them and they are done. They're 154 degrees or so, which in my case, I think they're done. But I want hamburger to be cooked through. So put in a little bit of sauce on each, and this is what they look like when I put them inside. Time to plate them, and time to eat.
There we go, bacon bombs on the grill. I would like to thank, as I probably mentioned before, Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard BBQ, who came up with this and posted it the other day, and I just had to make it, so let's try it. It's really good, my take. I'm gonna enjoy this. You enjoy. Tommy up there. Thank you for watching. Bye.